I started this DIY with 3 beaded rings that I purchased at Dollar Tree. These rings are connected using loops, so I opened one loop using my wire cutters. I placed my other 2 rings inside my first ring and I closed my loop. I positioned my rings where I wanted them. Once my rings were in place, I secured them using zip ties. I cut the excess strings off of my zip ties. Once I was done securing my rings, I attached a metal flower that I purchased at Dollar Tree during the spring to the center of my rings. This flower already had a metal hook attached to it, so that is what I used to hang my piece on the wall. To attach my flower to my rings, I used Gorilla Hot Glue and Gorilla Clear Grip. Next, I used Gorilla Hot Glue to attach a gem to the center of my flower and each one of my zip ties. If you like the natural look, I would use metal floral wire instead of the zip ties. But since I'll be painting my piece, let's keep going. I turned my wall decor over and I reinforced my flower with Gorilla Hot Glue. Once my flower dried, I took my piece outside, covered my flower, and I painted it silver, and this is what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.